Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Poco F3, and this is a new base phone from Poco which is costing around 66,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we get a 8GB of RAM with 256GB of internal storage. We also have a 6GB of RAM with 128GB of variant as well, and also the color I have is the night black color. So I'm really excited to see that how is the Poco F3 is perform in the PUBG mobile game, because this phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor which we don't see in this price range before. And because this phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor, this phone also supports 5G as well. And on the left hand side we have this F3 logo, and you can see on the back we have nothing. We get a 1-year warranty card with the Poco F3. So now let's quickly unbox the Poco F3. Now let's see that how is the Poco F3 is gonna looks like in the real life, because I see a lot of videos online as well regarding the Poco F3. So now let's quickly unbox the Poco F3, and this phone again has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, which is the main highlight about this phone. So let me remove the plastic first, and you can see in the first thing we get a 1-year warranty card with the Poco F3, and here is the box of the Poco F3. Now let's remove the plastic as well. And as you can see that, and this is a matte black box. So now let's open this box like this. And as you can see that, and guys, on the top we get a sticker. It says that welcome to the Poco family, and this is a nice thing. And inside of this box we get one more mini box, and we get a simulation tool. We also get a Poco stickers, this time with the Poco F3. So that's a really unique thing as well. We get a Poco stickers, and also we get this, and this is a USB Type-C to headphone jack adapter. So that's a very nice thing. I think that this phone does not have any headphone jack. And also we get a quick start guide as well as warranty card as well. And also we get a soft silicone case with the Poco F3 as well. So that's a really nice thing. We get a silicone case right out the box. So guys, here is the device, and here is the Poco F3. So now let's out the phone from this box again, and these are the main highlighting feature about the Poco F3. And you can see this phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor. This phone also supports 5G as well. On the front we have a 6.67 inch Full HD AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate display. We also get a punch hole on the center. This phone also has Dolby Atmos. We also have dual speakers, X-axis linear motor as well, which give you a very good haptic effect. We also have a main 48 megapixel main camera, and this phone has a triple cameras on the back. So now I'm gonna just put the side here, and now let's see that what else we get another than the phone. And the first thing we get a cable, and this is a USB Type-C cable with the Poco F3 right out of the box. And you can see inside we have this red indicator. And guys, and here is a charger, and this is a 33-watt super fast charging that you are getting with the Poco F3. So you can see that we get a fast charging with the Poco F3, and also it does not get any headphones. So that's a really disappointing thing. Nice to see that we get a USB Type-C to headphone jack adapter that we don't see in this price range before. Now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Poco F3. Okay guys, and here is the Poco F3. So now let's out the phone from this plastic, and this is a night black color, and you can see, and this phone looks really beautiful, and you can see in this black color. Although on the back we get a glossy finish, and also back it is made up of glass. We have a Corning Gorilla Glass on the back as well as on the front. So that's a really nice thing. On the back we get a triple cameras, and you can see, and the camera bump, it is also really big on this phone. In my opinion, it looks really unique and beautiful as well. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. And as you can see that on the bottom we have a speaker, microphone, USB Type-C port as well as a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray, and also we get a rubber, and this is a dual SIM, and we does not get any micro SD card support on this phone. So that's a really disappointing, but nice to see that we get a rubber inside the SIM tray. On the left hand side we have nothing, and you can see, and guys, on the top we get a one more speaker as well as microphone and IR blaster. And generally we see IR blaster only from Xiaomi right now. And guys, on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button, in which we also have a side mounted fingerprint scanner, and also we get a punch hole. Again, this phone has a 6.67 inch Full HD AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh display, and also in the punch hole it is also really small on this. So now let's quickly start up this phone up. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Poco F3, and you can see. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone gave you a amazing display quality because we have AMOLED display, so that's a really good thing as well. One thing it is also very interesting on the F3 is that this phone has a 120Hz refresh display, but by default it is on 60Hz. So now let's go 120Hz. Now it is feels really smooth as well. Again, we have dark mode, all those things it is available on this phone, and this phone it is running on Android 11, so that's a very good thing as well. We also have MIUI version 12 on this phone, and we get a 256GB of internal storage out of 237GB. It is available for you guys. And guys, again, this phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor, which is a flagship processor from Qualcomm. Again, we get a Poco UI, so you can see that we have after all looks really smooth as well. And guys, and now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed it is also really fast on this phone, no delay. So guys, now let's look at the camera. And guys, you can see that on the back we get a triple cameras, and the main sensor on the back it is a 48 megapixel. Also we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide as well as a 5 megapixel macro lens on this phone. Not a 2 megapixel. We also have LED flash which is right there, and the camera pump it is also really big on this phone, and you can see. And guys, on the front we get a 20 megapixel selfie camera, so that's a really good thing as well. Here is the camera UI of the Poco F3, and you can see here is your ultra wide. We also have a video mode on this phone, and the back camera maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps, so nice to see that we get 4K with the Poco F3. We also have a full HD 60 fps option as well, and we also have a macro mode on this phone in video as well, so you can take very close-up videos as well. We also have a pro mode on this phone. We also have a portrait mode, and you can see all those things it is available on this phone. In the mode section we also have night mode, which is also available with the ultra wide lens as well. We also have a main 14 megapixel mode as well, and we also have a slow motion on this phone, and you can see maximum we get a 960 fps slow motion on this phone. And we also have a dual video mode on this phone, and you can see we also have a short video mode on this phone as well as vlog. All those things it is available on this phone as you can see. So now let's see the front camera. Again, on the front we get a 20 megapixel selfie cameras, and guys, in the front camera maximum shoot full HD at 60 fps, so no 4K with the front camera, and that's really disappointing because this phone has a very powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor, a portrait mode with the front camera as well, and you can see. And in the night mode it is also available with the front camera, and the slow motion it is also available with the front camera as well. As you can see that this phone gives you a lot of new features. Now let's talk about the battery life of the Poco F3, and this phone has a 4520 mAh of battery size with the 33 watt fast charging. I wish that we get a 5000 mAh of battery size. That's about it overall I have to say regarding the Poco F3. And the main highlight about Poco F3 is the display as well as the performance. This phone gives you amazing display, AMOLED display with 120Hz, and also we get a flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor, and the performance should be really good as compared to any other Android phone in this price range, because we does not get Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 in this price range before. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Poco F3. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.